Hi, this is Litre from Total Part Pro. Today we have a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, stock number 6749. It's run from the 12th, 2016 to the 4th, 2021. It has a VQ35 3.5 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine, but it's an automatic transmission. This is a VQ35 3.5 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear and right front door, no dents, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front kiddo slip, sunglass holder, right front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,